Understanding the Emmy voting process, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's close to the heart of television lovers worldwide: the Emmy voting process. Whether you're a fan of drama, comedy, or documentaries, understanding how your favorite shows and stars win these prestigious awards can make watching them even more exciting. Let's break it down in a simple way, so everyone can grasp how this fascinating process works. The Emmy Awards, often just called the Emmys, are awards that recognize excellence in the television industry. Similar to the Oscars for film, the Emmys are a way to highlight and celebrate the best in various categories, from acting and directing to writing and production. They are awarded annually and are one of the most anticipated events for those who work in television. The organization behind the Emmys is the Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. This group is made up of over 20,000 members, all professionals in the television industry, including actors, directors, producers, and many others. These members are divided into peer groups based on their expertise, ensuring that experts judge each category. For instance, actors vote for acting categories, directors vote for directing, and so on. Before the final voting, there's a nomination process. Shows and individuals are submitted for consideration in their respective categories. First-round voting then takes place, where Academy members vote within their peer groups to determine the nominees. This ensures that the final list of nominees represents the best of the best, as judged by their peers. After the nominations are announced, the final round of voting begins. Here, all Academy members can vote in most categories, not just those in their peer group. This is where the process becomes more inclusive, allowing for a broader range of input on who and what represents the pinnacle of television achievement for the year. The votes are then tallied by an independent accounting firm to ensure fairness and secrecy until the winners are revealed during the Emmy Awards ceremony. The Emmy voting process is designed to be as fair and transparent as possible. It emphasizes the importance of peer recognition, ensuring that those who understand the intricacies of television production and performance are the ones making the decisions. This process also includes checks and balances to prevent any single entity from having too much influence over the outcomes. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the Emmy voting process. It's a system built on professionalism, expertise, and peer recognition, ensuring that the winners truly represent the best of what television has to offer. We hope this video has shed some light on the behind the scenes of your favorite TV awards show. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the world of English language learning and beyond.